Hi guys, it's Marcelo from Makeloo studio. Suppose you stop knitting for a while, you drink a coffee, you get a nap, and now you start knitting again and you don't know how to start. So, first of all, you have to identify your beginning of your knitting. So, I know that my project, I started knitting, the first row was the back of my work is a knit stitch. So this is my first row, is a back, it was a knit stitch. So this is my back. So when I stopped knitting, I was knitting here. I was knitting a dark red because it is the middle of my row. My light red is in the side, in the edge here. So in my middle row is here. Another point is when I stop knitting, I always stop knitting in my rand work, my main work hand side. So I work with my hand, my right hand. So that is my side that I stop. And because I'm right-handed, I pass my left needle stitch to my right-handed stitch. So my working ball yarn is here. So I get here, I put my tension because I work right continental and I still knitting. Okay. So I get this side to go to the other side. That is the short tip I'd like to show you. Okay? Thank you. See you soon.